If you're also tired of using a reel like this or no reel at all, come springtime, you will thank me if you get something like this. This is an Ayleid retractable hose dispenser, which I was gifted to create this video. And I'll show you a quick installation guide and some other kind of how it works. But just to give you a quick overview, this is how sleek it is. Everything is contained within this box. As you can see, the box moves around, so it's not in your way, not sticking out, so it's kind of closer to the wall. It has a pretty long extension here, so it reaches further if you have a further outlet for your water. This was extremely easy to set up, and everything is already inside, so you don't have to worry about it. It's super easy to retract and take out as much hose as you need to. It has a handle here, and overall the structure is very well made. So you will need this plate and 4 screws that are provided to attach them to your surface. In this case, we're using it on our brick wall with no problem. And this is it as far as installing. You just need to make sure this is securely attached, and then you'll just take your reel, and there's a plastic piece that funnels through 2 holes in the reel and the piece that you attach to the wall. In this case, we forgot to remove the hose, so don't mind that. And this is seriously it. You'll need to attach the right hose to your water supply, and the main reel is ready to be used. Mine is 100 feet long, and it can be retracted at any point. One tip, it's recommended that you install your reel about 80 centimeters, which is 30 inches above the ground, like on this level. This means your hose will be able to retract no problem. If you install it lower, it might have some issues, it might get stuck. And on the other end, it does have a quick connect feature, and it does come with this hose splitter that you could just attach or use your own. And as you can see, nothing is leaking on this side, nor is it leaking on the side where it attaches to your water supply. Everywhere, everything seems to be very securely sealed. And the retract feature works like a charm, no matter if you extended it too long or too short. I'm honestly so excited that we finally have this solution in our home. I highly recommend you look into it, and this product is definitely worth it.